In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check for updates in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu options without any issues. If Chrome is already open, you can simply use the window you have on screen. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser settings and tools, including the update section you need for this process. After the menu opens, look for the Help option. Move your cursor over it or click it, depending on how the menu appears on your device. A small side menu should open. In that menu, click About Google Chrome. This is the section where Chrome checks its current version and looks for available updates. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will usually begin checking for updates automatically. If an update is available, the browser may start downloading it right away. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. If Chrome is already up to date, you will see a message letting you know that you are using the latest version. If an update is installed, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser to finish applying the changes. If that happens, save anything important you are working on before restarting the browser. Relaunching ensures the update is fully completed and that Chrome is running the newest version properly. One helpful tip is to check for updates regularly if you want to make sure your browser stays secure and runs smoothly. Even though Chrome often updates automatically in the background, it is still useful to know how to check manually. That covers everything you need to know.